Well, we're having a written press release, a full press release for tomorrow, and we will definitely, yes, we will be registered tomorrow. Ili finalizing the timing details, but yes, we will definitely whalauloa lo ia le tunu taiao. After all this long time and long waiting for le tunu and preparation, and we feel everything is complete now to proceed. So lewa mtua lava tapena alfa mo, so we're ready to go ahead tomorrow as the 30th of July. And we will have a written press release for all of you. E detail o mai le winga, o le ngoa, ma me uma, the members, and everybody involved.
Can you tell us the estimated numbers of members that have already registered and showed interest in the...
Eleise tu malo Samoa, eleise sui. O tu malo le tunu. The way sui. And those are the only numbers we were looking. Okay, the mga ming sui se lau po ni sova. O lau whainga o na fall parliament. Lau whainga ka makiteki. And concentrate on it.
So have you met with all this?
Yes. O le whaawinga ina na o tai awa ma ke fofo la o maile. E le whapea o members here o mai e o mai o la kou e o malpaki. The constituencies. We are not bringing the members in as they are the ownership, no. But we will clarify everything tomorrow. O le lima sefulu I tu malo lea. O le lima sefulu ngau kakakaya o malpaki. And we will present it tomorrow I tulanga press release le la avatu. We have o mga whaasolo, o pepa ma me sengi ma mai kumalo.
In terms of candidates, they have like a good lineup of new candidates registering.
I respect everybody's gonna run. I tulanga la voye le voice si fa mawalunga. Ele foi se fape ma ke fape ko siri ma ko pe siri la ko we'll see fa ko ai lo ale euro le fi ke mo kalongo you know ma ko ia pe le nganga fa ko fa ia le ma ko fa lo lo ia wala la kar kai when everybody's in the boat ia ngana ku ra I ro kap kengi mai dit fa I fa ko ngula pe foi ya maka